Okay. I'm here commenting on this free energy magnetic motor BS guy. A couple of things I just want to start off right at the back. One of his reasons for magnetic motors not working um, is, quote, the orientation of the magnets will not make a difference. Magnetic motors do not work. If they did, we wouldn't need fossil fuels, and no, this is not a conspiracy. Now, I personally find that just a stupid reason to sit there and believe that something doesn't work. Because basically what he's saying is that magnetic motors do not work, people, and if they did, we wouldn't need fossil fuels. Man, because that's so horrible. That's horrifying. Because I can't live without a day without using fossil fuels. I mean, I'm pretty sure none of you guys can either, because they're an essential part of life, using fossil fuels. Anyway, I'm gonna go on with this video saying that he didn't reproduce the experiment well. He didn't reproduce it. He didn't. Um, the magnets weren't in the right orientation. Um, he wasn't using the same lid. Uh, he was holding the lid, at a 45-degree angle and whatever. I'm not going to comment on that, whatever, because I personally don't think that matters too much. Um, though I don't think he mentions what kind of magnets he uses either. Um, so that's another thing to consider. But yeah, so I mean, he's saying he's reproducing his experiment, but in essence, he's not. He's not reproducing the experiment because everything that was in the experiment that was actually doing something was not what the other guy used, and not the other way. It's not the way he did it. So why, oh why, is he saying that they don't work? And why, oh why, is he saying that the way the magnets oriented do not matter? Why is he a some sort of scientist or something like that? He could be. He could be, and he could just be laughing at me making this video because I'm a jerk. Anyway, but he didn't post anything on his comments that made me, you know, seem like made me think that he was a scientist or anything like that. But he also he blocked his comments. He stopped them from being. He stopped the video from being commented on right after I commented on the video. Saying that that the angle of the angle of the magnets very well could matter because of the way, in my mind, the way of how repulsion and you know all that um, all that works. It's like repulsion, attraction, that kind of thing, and how that works. You got a magnet pushing another magnet, and you're pushing it straight towards the center. You're not going to go anywhere. You're just going to go towards the center. Or same way. If you're pulling out, you're just going to pull out. You're not going to pull at an angle or anything like that, or push at an angle, which would then in turn make the lid spin. But anyway, that's just my take on it. I mean, I'm not a scientist. I'm going to try this experiment just because, I'm interested. I'm open to learning, and this is the way I learn. I learn through trial and error. So I'm gonna do this experiment, and hopefully it'll turn out good. Hopefully I'll get back to you guys soon. Um, yeah. So there you have it. I'll be back probably in a couple of days. I'm gonna order the magnets, and when they come in, I'll set up the experiment. See you guys later.